Hello guys, meet us again on the HaPlay computer channel on YouTube. In this video, we will demonstrate about how to use the Midnight Commander as writing software in the TUI environment above the HaPlay Logues device. HaPlay Logues, or Logues Journal, are tools made specifically for writing. Where HaPlay Logues only uses the TUI environment as an intermediary between the device and the author. No mouse, no window, no notification, no distractions. There is only the author and his writings. In this snippet, you have seen how the Midnight Commander starts automatically as soon as the device is turned on. You have also seen if the Midnight Commander has switched from two document list panels to one document list panel and another panel becomes a quick view window. Configuration like this, of course, is very beneficial for the author because once a document is highlighted, the author can immediately see the paragraphs in it without bothering to open it first. In addition to a functional appearance, Midnight Commander also has very good writing tools, especially for writers who use Markdown documents for their writings, because Midnight Commander's writing tools support color formats for styling on headings, bold text, italics, quotes, and more. Alright, let's do the configuration now. Run the Midnight Commander by typing the command, MC, then press enter. From the Midnight Commander window, press the F9 key to open the drop-down menu. Or, press the ESC key, followed by pressing the 9 key. Using the navigation keys, hover over the Options menu. Press enter to open the options, and then select Layout. From the Layout Settings window, we can adjust many things, such as split panel mode, whether to use vertical or horizontal splits. Set the panel width comparison, hide hint columns, hide command row columns, hide menus, and more. To change the value of each function, hover over the function and press the space key. When a function is changed, we can actually see the change directly at that time. Like the changes we made when expanding the right pane, as well as when hiding the hint bar row command column. After everything is appropriate, hover over the OK button, then press enter to apply the settings changes. Next we will change the color palette to eliminate the striking impression. The trick, through the drop-down menu, hover over the Options menu, then select Appearance. Press enter on the open window to display a list of color palettes and types of lines, where here, we choose dark colors to make them more comfortable in the eyes. But keep in mind, if the TUI HaPlay Logues environment only supports a maximum of 16 types of colors, so that some choices that have the numbers 256 and 16M in the name, will not be able to be used. When you're done selecting the color of the palette, as usual, hover over the OK button, then press enter to apply it. Now it's time to change the right side panel type. Reopen access to the drop-down menu, navigate to the right menu, press enter, then select the Quick View option. See, now, the right pane has changed the function to a quick view window that will display the contents of the text document being highlighted in the left pane. Almost done. Now, we will change the left pane view so that it only contains the file name column without the size and timestamp columns. Open the drop-down menu. Select the left menu, then select the Listing Format option. In the Format Listing window, hover over the brief file list function, press the space key, enter the number 1, then hover over the OK button and press enter. Done. Now, Midnight Commander is ready to be used as a writing management software. The last step in the Midnight Commander, open the drop-down menu once again. Hover over the Options menu, then select Save Setup to save all the settings that have been made. For the Midnight Commander's default writing tools, the operation is the same. The F9 or combination of the ESC key followed by the 9 key serves to open the drop-down menu, while the settings in it tend to be simpler because it is only related to behavior when writing. Now, to make the Midnight Commander automatically run when HaPlay Logues is turned on, is to add a startup script to the system folder edisi, profile.d. In this demonstration, we created a script called writerstart.sh using command sudo nano edisi profile.d writerstart.sh, then enter the password yes when asked. The content of the Midnight Commander startup script looks like in the video snippet. Very simple, where the parameter after MC is the purpose of the work folder where it can be filled with different values, for example, to the Documents folder. When finished, press the Ctrl and O keys to save, Ctrl and X to close the nano, then restart HaPlay Logues with the command sudo reboot to test it. Look, all the settings we made earlier have finally worked, and HaPlay Logues, now ready to be productive.